Hello, Emma. Hello, Emma.
Hi.
Age, okay. So we have learned the age problem before, right? So today we need to make sure you understand every single one and we're going to go from it, okay? So let's take a look at this one. Tim is 8 years old, okay? So always remember the difference is age between two people remain the same, right? So for instance, Jasper is 40 years younger than me, so he will be always 40 years younger than me, always, right? And if Jasper is 30 years older than me, he's always being 30 years older than me. So no matter how, until somebody is passed away, okay? 挂了以后就没有了, okay? So we usually, when we're learning, we're not going to talk about somebody is what? Somebody's dying or whatever. So that's why it is still the same thing, okay, everybody? 那我这个怎么弄不上去了呢? What happened? One second. 这个 Zoom，sorry， 重来啊。这个 Zoom 现在改版过了，然后我很多东西都不会用。Okay, good. So everybody, so who can read the question for me? How about Emma? Can you help me, Emma?
Tim is 8 years old. One day, he asked about his mother's age. When you are as old as me now, I will be 54 years old, replied his mother. How old is Tim's mother?
Okay, so let's see. How old is Tim's mother? Okay. Try to do it. Okay, so I'm going to help you. So Tim, what the? Tim is 8 years old. Okay, so one day he asked his mother, he said, "Hey mother, how old are you?" 他妈妈就把他揍了一顿. Okay. No, not necessarily true. Okay, when you are as old as me, I will be 54 years old. So can we say mother's age is X years old, Michael? Okay, so now mother said, when you are going to be my age, that means a couple years later, Tim became X years old, right? So how old is his mom? So Tim is going from 8 to X. So what is the differences between 8 and X, Lilac?
Time passes.
No, think about it. If X is a 20, so what is the differences between 8 and 20? 20 minus X. Sorry, minus 8, correct?
Correct? The amount of years that passed.
Yeah, so now it's X. So what is the differences between X and 8?
X minus 8.
Very good. So after X minus 8 years, Tim became X years old. Do everybody understand this one? Understand? Michael, Jasper, Emma is nodding. Daniel, understand, right? So if Tim is X minus 8 years has been passed, 那妈妈是不是也是 x minus 8? Correct? 对不对? So they're the same. So what is the age of mother? Is it x plus x minus 8? Correct? You can see 8 plus x minus 8 equals x, because that much years later became x. So if mother's age is x right now, so x minus 8 years later, so mother's age will be x plus x minus 8, which is 2x minus 8. Correct? And mother told him, I am 54 years old. So 2x minus 8 equals what? 54. Correct, Jasper? Okay, so 2x equals what? Equals 62. So x equals what? 31. Okay, I'm going to stop here and let everybody do it again, okay? So I'm going to explain again, okay? So for instance, we have, where's my thing? Oh, here. Hmm, 怎么又不能变大？我不喜欢这个，我不喜欢这个新的功能，我觉得一点都不好用。Okay, we do this here, okay? So everybody, take a look at this one. So now X is, Tim is 8 years old, correct? Okay, so now, and a couple years later, Tim will be X years old, 对不对？好了，Michael，如果老师现在直接告诉你，12 years later, Tim will be how old is him? 你很会做啊，8加12，对不对？8 plus 12, right? But right now, I don't tell you how many years later. I just tell you how many years later Tim will be X years old. That's the same thing. The age, the time has passed is still X minus 8. Do you understand? So X minus 8 years later, Tim will be X years old. Do you understand, Michael? Michael, you need to turn on the camera and Mike. 我在跟你说话，我也不知道你听到没听到。
Yes.
Okay, can you explain it to me?
So Tim is now 8 years old. So if if you use x, that is how old his mother is. Minus minus 8.
Why minus 8? Because that's the differences, correct?
Yes.
Okay. 对不对? Correct, everybody? So if Tim is x minus 8 years later became x, the mother 是不是也是 x minus 8 became 54? Correct? So 54 equals what? Equals x plus x minus 8. So 54 equals what? Equals 2x minus 8. So I move this negative 8 over there, will be 62 equals 2x. So x equals 31. So mom right now is 31 years old. Okay, so Michael, if you are not very sure your answer is right, okay, Lilac, if you're not very sure your answer is right or not, you can always what? Plug them in. When Tim became 31. So Jasper, how many years has passed?
30 or 31.
31, very good. 31 minus 8 equals what? Equals 20.
23.
对不对 ？23，那你看妈妈加上23年，是不是 54？是的，哎，那你就做对了。Understand, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at next one. Okay, so let's take a look at next one. So the sum of age. Okay, so everybody, please read the question, and we can go from there. Okay. 有没有小朋友做出来的？我看看。哎呀，你们啊，我跟你说，不要这样子没有声音的，要活泼一点，活泼一点，这样题目就会越做越好。艾玛，你说对不对？要活泼一点，好不好？OK，Jasper 做好了，我们看看 Jasper 做的对不对？OK，and Daniel 也给了我一个答案。OK，I'm not sure. Let's take a look at this. The sum of the age of 3 children is 30. OK，Michael 是不是？如果有3个小朋友，是不是 A 加 B 加 C 等于30 ？Can you get this one first?
Yes.
The oldest children is twice as old as the second one. 那也就是说什么 A 等于什么 2B. Correct? The youngest children is 10 years younger than the oldest one. So 8 minus 10 equals C. Can you get this one, everybody? Correct? Okay. So what is age of the oldest one? Okay. So we'll find A, right? So how do we do it? So C equals C plus 10, sorry, C equals A minus 10. So I replaced it with A minus 10 equals 30. And A equals half B, so B equals, sorry, 2B, so B equals half A, correct? So there's no B, it's half A. So A plus A plus A minus 10 equals 30. So 半个 A 加一个 A 加一个 A 等于几个？两个半 A，对不对？ Equals 40. So A equals what? 40 divided by 2.5. So I just do 400 divided by 25. So 1, 25, 15. So 6, 15. So A equals 16 years old, and B equals 8, and C equals 6. Congratulations, Jasper. Very good. You get it all right.
Wait, Carrie.
Mhm.
If the youngest child is 10 years younger than the oldest one.
Yeah.
Oh, the
你
oldest
是不是
one.
弄反了？
哦，对，我弄反了。
Okay, understand everybody? Emma, understood?
Yeah.
You get it? Michael
Yeah.
and Lilac? Okay, especially Lilac, okay? You need to starting to understand all those, how to say, those algebra, these variables, how, okay, use how to do it. That would be the best way. Okay, I'm not sure if Jasper, you're using this way. So I would like you to have learned that one as well, okay? So let's take a look at number 3 and number 4. Okay, so we're going to take a look at these two questions together. So please send it to me by chat. OK，好，我们来看一下第一题。In 3 years' time, the sum of the age of John and Joseph will be 27. What does it mean? That means 3 years later, John and Joseph will be 27 years old. So now, what happened? No. So this is now, okay? So this is John and this is Joseph. Okay, so 3 years later. So this is John plus 3, and this is Joseph plus 3, correct? So they will be 27 years old. Okay, so they plus together equals 27. So I want to ask Emma, if 3 years later they plus together equals 27, what is age right now?
21. Very
good. Okay, Joseph's age is difference between his own and John's age. What does that mean? Okay, that means his age is the same as the differences between him and John's age. So that means, for instance, if John is 14 years old and Joseph is 7, so this is right. 我是不是直接把答案说出来? So 14 minus 7 equals 7. So their differences is 7. So Joseph's age is the same as this one. Get it, everybody? So immediately I get it off. So it's 14 and 7. So how old is Joseph? Joseph is 7 and 14. And later on, it's 17 and 20, and 10. Get it, Daniel? Right now it's 7 and John is 14 and later on 17 and 10. So 17 plus 10 equals 27 and everything is right. Emma, get it? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 明白了吗？都懂吗？ So Bobby's parents' age is multiple of 9. 所以他们的 age 肯定是9、18、30、27、36或者50什么东西的，对不对？好，那我问你 ，Bobby 的 parents 有没有可能是9岁啊？有没有可能？有可能，对，我也觉得有可能，肯定9岁，对不对 ？Daniel， 你爸爸妈妈加起来几岁？ Okay, so it's impossible to be 9, correct, everybody? So I will say maybe like 63 something. I make a guess.
It says Bobby's present age.
Oh, present age. Oh, sorry, I think parents' age. Sorry, present age is 9, 18, and 27, and 36, and 45, and 54, something like that, correct? 我真的要背这个东西，要折磨死了。Okay, so let's do it. I hope this time is getting better. Okay, so Bobby's age was a multiple of 7. So this is Bobby's present. Last year is 那就是1年前，对不对？1年前是7的倍数，那我们只要怎么样把它减去1年，就是8、17、26、35。哎，找到了没有？ So 35 is a multiple of 7, right? Between 50 and 45. So that's why the answer is 35, correct? 哎呀，不行，我放到这儿，我又看不到那个东西。Bobby answer. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Okay, so the one who's giving me very good. So Daniel got both of them right. Jasper, 看一下28减1等于27，是27的倍数，不是有7啊。Okay, Jasper a little bit wrong. Lilac 35. Very good. 735. Very good. Okay, good job, Lilac. Very good. OK，全都做对了，非常好。OK，老师还是要跟这个新版的这个 Zoom 要搏斗一下，因为我还是不太会用啊，非常麻烦。OK，so let's take a look at this one. OK, number 5, boys and girls，你们能不能把答案发给我，好不好？好吗
Don't send you the answers.
Number 5，对，把答案把 answer 发给老师啊。
Okay.
啊，我
Number 5.
疯了，我就不太会用。Number 5, yeah. Jasper 后面对了啊。Okay, I have received Emma's. And I also have received Daniel's. Emma is very detailed and tell me everything. Okay, so Daniel and Jasper and Lilac, 加油. Oh, Michael, 加油. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to explain this one. Okay, so Emma and Daniel are right. The sum of Jacqueline's and Melissa's age is 19. So Michael, can you tell me if you see this sentence like the sum of Jacqueline's and Melissa's age is 19? What you gonna do?
I would first try to read all of.
No,
was
don't do
reading-
this, okay? Just sentence by sentence. Of course, you have read the whole entire sentence already, but after that, you're going to understand this sentence. After you read this sentence, I want you to make them into equation. What does the equation look like?
J plus M equals 19.
Very good. J plus M equals 19. Good job. The sum of Jacqueline's and Nikita's age is 22. Lila, can you give me another equation?
J plus N equals 22.
Very good. The sum of Melissa and Nikita's age is 25. Jasper?
Wait, I didn't hear.
So the Melissa and the Nikita's age is 25. Can you give me the equation? 那你前面没有肯定在玩别的东西，肯定在玩别的东西，Jasper，你不要专注了，我跟你讲。Okay, now tell me. 你看前面小朋友都已经写了 the sum of Jacqueline and Melissa is J plus M equals 19. And Jacqueline and Nikita's J plus N equals 22. So Melissa and Nikita's age is 25. What is the answer? Tell me.
M and M plus N equals 25.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, 再被抓住的话，我就马上跑到你家来打你屁股了啊。Okay, so Emma, if you have this one, you want to plus them together, right? So if you plus all of them together, it will be two Jacqueline plus 2 Nikita and plus 2 Melissa equals what? Equals 19 plus 22 plus 25 equals 66. Okay, so 2 Jacqueline, 2 Nikita, and 2 Melissa equals 66. So 1 Jacqueline plus 1 Nikita plus 1 Melissa equals what? 33. So what is Nikita? So it's 33 minus 19 equals 14. What is Jacqueline? 33 minus 25 equals 8. What is Melissa? Equals 33 minus 22 equals 11. Jasper, understand? Michael, understand? Okay, very easy, 对不对？只要把它列出来，对不对？就知道了。Okay, so now I'm going to clear it. Lilac, understood? Okay, good. 我这容易吗？我就看 Lilac 的。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is a question we did at first, right? So when my mom became the same age as mine and whatever, so it's the same thing as the first question we practiced it. And number 1, please do it. Okay, I have received Lilac. I have received Michael, Emma. Very good. Okay, so everybody, I'm just going to see if you get it right or not. Okay, Annabelle. Okay, Annabelle is 10 years old right now. And he asked the age of her mother, sorry, teacher. I will be 58 years old by the time you're old as me. So teacher is X. So when Annabelle became X years old, so it's X minus 10 years has been passed. So teacher is X minus 10 as well. So it's 2X minus 10. So 2X minus 10 equals 58. So 2X equals 68 and 2X, sorry, X equals 34. So how old is his teacher? 34. Very good. Okay, so congratulations, everybody. Michael got it right. Emma got it right. Lilac got it right. Jasper, 计算错误，68除以2等于我知道你为什么错了，你这边减10。So Jasper, you negative 10 put it here will be positive 10，不是还是 negative 10？你变成58减10了，变成48了，对不对？48除以2等于24，对不对？那 when you negative 10，老师跟你说过了，要搬家的时候，负的要变成什么？变成正的，对不对？对啊，对啊，所以是68。OK，very good, everybody. OK，Jasper 虽然做错了，但也不能算错，不能算完全错，对不对？He knows how to do it. Good job. OK，这道题目 Michael 是不是不难啦？对不对？一点都不难了。OK，good job. OK，好，Cindy and Allison。那我们现在来看2道题目。OK，so we're going to do 2 questions together. Okay, so let's take a look at everybody's. Okay, good job, Jasper and Michael. Very quick. 但是我相信 Daniel 和 Emma 还有 Lilac 也做出来了，他们要把2和3一起发给我，对不对？我就知道。Good job, Daniel. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Cindy is 12 years old. Is 12 years old and ask his auntie's age. I will be 62 old when you reach my present age. Again, x minus 12. So 2x minus 12 equals 62. 哎，我们来看看这次 Jasper 做的对不对？ So 2x equals what? 2x equals
2x equals 74.
62 plus 12. Very good. Thank you. So 2x equals 74. So x equals 37. Good job. Good job. OK, 来看看自己哪里算错了啊，是不是计算错误 ？OK, so Allison is 26 years younger than her father. So her father minus 26 equals Allison, correct? Her father's age will be 3 times as her age in 4 years' time. So her father, Allison plus 4 years, and her father's also plus 4 years, correct? Okay, so we're gonna say right now, so now Allison is F minus 26. This is father is F. Okay, so 4 years time later. So Allison will be F minus 26, then what? Plus 4. And daddy will be F plus 4. Correct, everybody? So father's age will be 3 times as Allison's age. So Allison became F minus 22. And father will be F plus 4, correct? Get it, everybody? Okay, so Allison times 3 equals father's age, correct? Everybody, do you understand? Okay, so we times out. So 3F minus 36 equals F plus 4. So 2F equals 70. So F equals 35. So father is 35. So what is Allison? So 35 minus 26 equals 9 years old. Okay, this question is a little bit complicated. So I want you to take a look and get back and not get. Okay, so there's another way. Okay, so I'm going to tell you another way. This one. Do you understand this way? No, not really. Okay, maybe try this one. Let's try the other one. Okay, so this is in 4 years' time. So 4 years later. So Allison is A, and father is 3 Allison, correct? Okay, so now everybody, 4 years ago, so Allison will be A minus 4. Do you understand? And father will be 3A minus 4. Do you understand, everybody? Okay, so we say Allison is 26 years younger. So 3A minus 4 minus A minus 4 equals 26. Do you understand? This is father's age. This is Allison's age. So father's age minus Allison's age equals 26. Do you understand, everybody? Okay, I'm going to calculate it. So 3A minus 4 minus 8 plus 4 equals 26. So 3A minus 8 equals 2A minus 4 plus 4. They're gone. Am I right? Yes. So 2A, yeah?
Oh, so Allison's age is 13.
Yeah, so Allison right now is 13, correct? But they want to know Allison, how old is Allison right now? So 13 minus 4 equals 9. Get it? Okay, you can use this way or that way. It doesn't matter. It's always the same, okay? So I'm going to clear it and let you do it yourself, and I will try to help you. 好不好？小朋友们先自己做一遍，如果不会的，我们再想一想。每道题都要会啊，好不好
？Carrie, can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, of course.
Carrie,
Mm-hmm. I
I
can
think
explain.
I have one question. So
Yeah,
like,
of course.
yeah, one part was 3a minus 4, and then the other part was a and then minus a minus 4.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so
I
this is
I know 3 times Allison's age is father's age in 4 years, but why minus 4?
okay because right now this is in 4 years later. This is now. So 4 years later will be now plus 4, right? But we know the 4 years later time. So this is later. 4 years later, so Allison is Allison and her dad is 3A, right? Because her dad is 3 times SA Allison, right?
Yes.
那我们现在往前4年以前，4年以后 Allison 的 age 是 A，对不对？那4年以前 Allison 的 age 是什么
4年以前就是 a 减4。
对呀，get it？那爸爸今年是4年以后是 3A，so right now 他是多少？是不是 3A minus 4？Get it？
Before yes.
Right? Yeah, before is minus. Okay, so because we're talking about this right now, 在这个 now, Allison 是 26 years old， 或者我可以直接这样做，哎，这个都不用这样，直接这样更快。Actually, if Allison is 26 years younger than her father, now 他比他小26岁 ，later 他是不是还是比他小26岁啊？Correct. So all I need to do just a 3A minus A, Jasper, equals what? Equals 26.
2A.
Correct? Yeah, so
Yeah.
2A equals 13. Sorry, 26. So A equals 13.
13.
And now it is 9 and 35. Correct, everybody? Because the differences of Daddy and Allison is always the same. Correct? 明白了吗？
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, 这样子是不是更快？ Okay, very good. So let's take a look at the number 4, okay? So let's take a look at number 4 and number 5, okay? Everybody, your turn. Okay, so now I'm going to explain it, everybody. Do you want me to help you? What you want? You don't need me? Okay, Emma don't need me. Emma, bye. I'm flying away. So let's take a look at this one. So the sum of age of a football coach and his 2 team members is 100. So Lilac, so a coach plus member A and member B, correct? Equals 100 years old. His age will be the sum of the age of the 2 team members in 12 years' time. That means A plus 12 plus B plus 12 equals C. Correct? Don't forget, why we have to plus 2 12s, because when A is increasing by 12 years, B is also increasing by 12 years. How old is football coach? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So usually, I think they're the same age, right? Because they're in the same team, right? So I can just do C plus 2A equals 100, right? It's not necessary to have B, correct? So this one's also A. So C equals 2A plus 24 equals C, correct? Because they're in the same team, usually in the same team, Michael, 对不对？都是一样大小，对不对？ So replace 2A plus 24 with C, because C equals 2A plus 24 plus 2A equals 100. So 4A plus 24 equals 100. So 4A equals 76. So A equals 19. So 19. So how old is coach? Is 100 minus 38 equals 62 years old. Get it, everybody?
Where did you get the 24 from?
Oh wait, yeah, never mind.
Yeah. Okay, understand everybody? So now I'm going to move forward to the next one, okay? So when I was at your age, you were only 4 years old, okay? So this question is backwards. I will be 79 old by the time you reach my present age. So that's the same thing. Instead, this time it's not the little one asking the old one. This is the older one is asking the little one. So this is when I was your age, you were only 4. So 4 is before, right? And now, right? So before, I don't know how old is it, but it's X. Now it's 79, correct? And I want to know how old is the daughter. So this is daughter. And this is father, correct, everybody? So it's back to this one. So you need to have the table like that. So 79 to X, how many years ago? Is this 79? A father said, how old is father? So what is the differences? Oh, sorry, here is X, right? Correct? Yeah. So the only thing is not changing is the differences between daughter and father, correct? Okay, so you can say x minus 4 equals 79 minus x, correct, everybody? The differences of daddy and daughter is the same, so it's 2x equals, 不对，是不是我这边弄错了？等一下，Let me see. So this is daughter. 哎，又没了。So this is daughter, this is father. When I was at your age, so it's x, you are 4. I will be 79 old by the time you reach my present age. 不对。Now, and I was your age, you're 4. And a couple years later, I will be 7, and this is y. And as you reach my age, I will be 79. Sorry, it's like that. So it's more complicated, okay? So everybody, please take a look, okay? So this is before. The father said, when I was your age, so that's the now age, right? So now starter's age, you're only 4. I will be 79 old by the time you reach my present age. Okay, so how old is the father and how old is the daughter? So we can have x minus 4 equals y minus x. Everybody, do you understand? Because they are same timeline, right? So 2x equals y plus 4. And we can also see y minus x equals 79 minus y. So 2y equals 79 plus x. So we have y equals 2x minus 4. So 2y equals 4x minus 8. Do you understand this one, everybody? Okay, so 4x minus 8 equals 79 plus x. So 3x equals 87. X equals 29. So this is daughter's age right now. This is 29, so they are 24 apart. So 25 plus 29 equals 54. Okay, I'm going to explain again. I think nobody understand it, right? Okay, I'm going to do it again. Emma, do you kind of understand or you don't understand either?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to do it again. Okay, everybody. So we have here a couple different things, okay? So Daniel, this is before. This is now. And this is later. Understand, everybody? So this is a table I want you to have. So this is daughter, this is father, okay? So the father said, when I was your age, okay, so age is right now, daddy is X years old. Sorry, daughter is X years old and father is Y years old, okay? So the daddy said, when I was your age, you were only 4. Can you write this one? Can you put them into the table like that? Do you understand so far? This one, I think you understand, right? Okay, very good. Okay, so the next one is, I will be 79. Did you see will be? Will be, that means in the future, right? It's later. So I will be 79 years old, father said, by the time you reach my present age. That means you're reaching my now age. So Y and 79. Do you understand this one, everybody? This
Yeah.
one's okay. Okay, good, good, very good. Okay, so you're gonna have 2 equations because the time from 4 to x is the same as x to y. Do you understand this one, everybody? Right, so that's why x minus 4 equals y minus x. Do you understand this one? And also,
The
y minus x equals 79 minus y also because
Carry.
their same age has been passed. Yeah, Michael?
Shouldn't 79 be in now?
Can you say it again?
Shouldn't 79 be in now? Because
No, did you see that? They said, I will be 79 years old by the time you reach my present age. 当你变成我现在年龄的时候，我是79岁。
oh, okay.
Understand? Okay, so do you understand these two equations, Jasper? Jasper, 这个帽子上面还有粉红色呢。粉红色的 ribbon. Daniel, do you understand these two? Because when daughter became from 4 to x is the same as x to y because the time is the same.
Oh, okay.
Understand? Emma? Daniel? Okay, so if that's the case, 哦，你看老师的脸好白啊，因为我把后面没有打开灯，你看到老师这样是不是很漂亮？
Very scary.
Okay, so now, Lilac, do you understand? Okay, so if you understand this one, we're going to try to fix this question. Okay, we try to solve this question. This is something we learned it before, but I think all of you kind of understand. So we're going to put in each of the variable together. So want to put x together. So there's a negative x, move it there will be positive x, right? So x plus x equals negative 4, move it there will be positive. So y plus 4. Okay, so let's take a look at the second one. The second one is the same thing. I want to make x together and y together. So I'm put this negative y over there will be y plus y equals 70y plus x. Do you understand so far?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So we have y equals 2x minus 4. Do you understand? And move this 4 over there will be 2x plus x equals 2x minus 4. 好，有小朋友说，老师，那这个不是应该在左边吗？应该是 2x minus 4 equals y 啊。对呀，那 2x minus 4 equals y，那 y 是不是等于 2x minus 4? It's the same thing? It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, just to put it like that in order to help you to look. Okay, 好，那我们这边呢 2y equals 79 plus x. Correct? Okay, so I don't want y, I want 2y. So how do I do it? I times 2 for both left side and right side equals 2y equals 4x minus 8. So why I'm doing this one is because if 2y equals 79 plus x, if 2y also equals 4x minus 8, 那是不是 4x minus 8就等于79加 x? So I'm changing this one into a variable, only have one x, there's no y anymore. 对不对？那我把这个负 x 移过去，4x 减去 x 等于多少？3x。那负8移过来呢？79加8等于多少？等于87。So 3x equals 87, so x equals 29. So this is 29 years old. And you can also do what? If you don't want to do anything, you can just go back because y equals 2x minus 4, right? So x equals 29. So 2 times 29 minus 4 equals 58 minus 4 equals 54. And if you don't want to do it, you can also do another way because if this is 29, this is 29. So you know the differences between daddy and daughter is 25 years old. So you can just do plus 25, also get the 55. Sorry, 54. Get it, everybody? So when you have the table and you still need some space, Daniel, to just work out your algebra. 明白吗, Jasper? Okay, algebra is very important when we do this one. 我记得教过你们的，哎，两个兔子，兔子有2条，鸡有5条腿。如果我有10只鸡什么的，这不是学过吗？都这个一样的呀，对不对？还是解方程，对吧？ Okay, so let's take a look at number 5. Number 5. Number 5, 大家要不要试试看? Do you want to try it? 试试看好不好，小朋友 ？Number 5, yeah. 刚才学过了一下，会不会好一点？
We try number 5 again.
Number 5. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Number 6, Nelson says, when I reach your age, you will be 35 years old. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We have Nelson and a sister, right? And Nelson said, when I reach your age, you will be 35 years old. 也就是说，姐姐现在这个年纪如果是 X 的话 ，Nelson reach X，姐姐 will be 35. His sister says to Nelson, when I was your age, you were only 2 years old. 好了 ，Nelson 是不是 Y? Okay, so sorry, I need to have a little bit space for. So this is now, this is later, this is before. Okay, so this is Nelson, this is sister. So Nelson's sister said, when I was your age, you were only 2. Correct? 跟上面那题是不是一样啊 Michael? 对不对? Before, now, and later. So how old is Nelson and her sister? Same thing. Okay, so this time we can take a look at this one. So we can do this minus this one because you know the differences for all of them is the same. So y minus 2 equals x minus 1 equals 35 minus x. Correct? Because the differences between Nelson, I'm just giving you another way of doing that. Of course, we can do this way. 那刚刚那道题不是已经做过这样的方法了吗？对不对，艾玛？那这次换一个方法教你们 ，OK？ 好了，那 y 减2等于 x 减 y， 这是第一个方程，对不对？第二个方程你喜欢什么？我喜欢这个 x 减 y 等于35减 x。好了，那我们这边把它移过来，对不对 ？So 2y equals x plus 2。Correct? 那 x 等于什么 ？x 等于 2y minus. Correct? Okay, you can have this one. Okay, so now we move this 2x equals 35 plus y. 好了，那我 immediately 这边 2x 对不对？我把这变成 2x equals 4y minus 4. So these two are equals to each other. So 4y minus 4 equals 35 plus y. So 3y equals 39. So y equals 13. So that means Nelson is 13 years old, and her sister, x equals 2y minus 2 equals 2 times 13 minus 2 equals 26 minus 2 equals 24. So her sister is 24 years. 好了，那有些小朋友说，老师啊，你刚刚教过我们一种方法，我那个方法刚刚学会呢，你能不能刚才那个方法做一遍？当然可以。Okay, so I'm going to using in this way. Okay, 就是刚才做的那个方法，再跟大家做一遍，好不好？Emma，好不好 ？OK， 好，看一下。So that way, so y, so y minus 2 equals x minus y. Do you understand? Because that's the differences of now and before. And I can have another one, y minus x equals x minus 35. Correct? We have two equations because it's the same years later, y became x and x became 35. Correct? Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, 2y equals x plus 2. And here, y equals 2x minus 35. So 2x equals y plus 35. OK， 好。So let's take a look at this one. 我这边有 2x， 对不对？那我把这 1x 写出来是 2y minus 2. So 2x equals 4y minus 4. So 4y minus 4 equals y plus 35. So 3y equals 39. So y equals 13. 是不是回来了？对不对？所以 x 等于 2y minus 2 equals 2 times 13 minus 2 equals 24. So you get the same answer. No matter you're using this one minus this one, that's the same thing. That's basically the same thing. Okay, you can either think about the differences between Nelson and his sister is always stay the same, but you know they're spending the same time getting older and getting younger. Correct? Okay, so now let's take a look at number 7. Okay, number 7. Let's take a look at number 7. This year, Mr. Lester's age is multiple of 7. Next year, his age will be multiple of 5. If the age is between 20 to 80, how old is Mr. Lester be in 8 years' time? 这点简单。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I have received Emma, I have received Jasper, just to see a little bit of like 你们应该非常接近答案了，但是就是有一点点 OK。Emma， 你要搞清楚 this year and next year 还是 8 years OK。我觉得 Emma 是对的，不对 对，Emma 和这个，我们来看看 Emma 和 Michael 还有 Jasper 是谁对的，好不好？还有 Daniel，我们看看到底谁是对的。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This year, Mr. Lester's age is multiple of 7. 他又在20和80之间，那 Mr. Lester 是不是只是 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 6? Oh, sorry, 7、8、56、63、70、77，是不是只有这可能啊？Okay, next year his age will be multiple of 5. OK，这些都不对啊。
except 49.
是不是 except 49啊？就是 49 加上1等于50，对不对 ？OK， 好，那也就是说今年他是不是49岁啊？好了 ，How old will Mr. Lester be in 8 years？所以是49加8还是50加8呢？49吧，所以是57岁。So congratulations, Emma, good job。哎呀，所有小朋友，我看这个，给我58岁 Daniel 和 Emma，good job。给我58的，是不是50？是不是50加8了？对不对，Michael？太可惜了啊，对不对？明明都做对了，就是Jasper也是。哎呀，我跟你讲，你这帽子戴了，然后把你的这个聪明的脑袋给卡住了。Okay, so let's take a look at number 8. Okay, last question. This year, Karen's age is a multiple of 5. Next year, her age will be multiple of 3. Her age is more than 20 but less than 50. How old is Karen be 6 years from now? OK， 这道不能再错了啊！再错真的打。好，已经 submitted 了，有人这么快？真的吗？我有点害怕。啊，没有。这个太简单了。Okay, I have received Daniel's. I have received Michael's. So the age of Karen this year is multiple by. 等一下。哎呦，自从换了这个系统以后，非常不喜欢。Jasper， 你要看一下你的答案哟。OK， 我们来看一下对不对啊？我也不知道是不是一样的，但是你跟别人都不太一样。So let's see. So Karen could be 25, could be 30, could be 35, could be 40, could be 45. 有些小朋友说，那不能20和50吗？No, he's more than 20 and less than 50. So 20 and 50 is not a choice. Next year, her age will be multiple of 3, 26, 31, 36, 41, 46. All of them are gone. Just this one is a winner. So 35. How old will be Heron be in 6 years? So 35 plus 6 equals
41.
41. Okay, Jasper, 你的错误在哪里啊？哎，你把20也算进去了，对不对？你是不是把20也算进去了？对呀，就差了一点，题目一定要看清楚，对不对？Okay, very good, everybody. So we did very good. 哦，怎么这么黑？Okay, and we did a very good job today. We did a very scary.
Okay,
No,
what if
the Halloween is coming, so we could be really black. We. 你看 Jasper 也这样。Okay, so everybody, we did it very good today. So I want everybody, when you do today's homework, I want you to make a table. Okay, it's really helpful, right, Emma? And you can just list all of them. Read the question really, really careful. 我们有一个非常非常粗心的小孩在我们班里面，这个小朋友叫 Jasper， 对不对？他的心很粗很粗的，这么粗。Okay, so everybody, that's it for today's class. We're going to see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.